Kia ora koutou. Today we're going to look at the parts of a graph. We've got 5 parts. We've got the title, the vertical axis, the horizontal axis, labels on those axes, and data. So let's start by finding the title. Point to the title. If you pointed to here, flavors of lollipops in a family pack, you're right. This is the title of our bar graph. Okay, next I want you to find the vertical axis. Now vertical means it goes up and down like you climb a ladder. Is there anything on this graph that looks a bit like the edge and rungs of a ladder? This is a bit like a ladder. This line here is the vertical axis. It goes from the ground up to the sky. And the numbers on it are its labels. The vertical axis in this graph is labelled with numbers. It has numbers on it, and the numbers help us to record the data and show how many lollipops of each flavour were in the family pack. Now we've got the horizontal axis, and if you think of looking as far as you can into the distance, and where the earth meets the sky, that is the horizon. That is flat. So here, along here, we have the horizontal axis. The horizontal axis. And this axis here is labelled with information. So the labels on this axis are the flavours of lollipops. So we've got the horizontal axis going up and down here. With its number labels. And we've got the vertical axis going along here. Vertical going along here. With its labels. And its labels are the flavours of lollipops. And the last thing on this graph is the data. The data is the number of lollipops of each flavour. So the data here is the bars. There are 7 lemon lollipops. Here, this data shows that there are 9 strawberry lollipops. Here, this data shows that there are 10 lime lollipops. And here, this data shows that there are orange lollipops. We will go over this and one more graph about tallies, and that will be the end of our flipped learning into statistics and graphing. So your last video will be tomorrow.